Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. So today again we are going to start with the topic quadrilateral. So let's get started.
Let us start with practice set 5.4. Now in the first sum you can see in quadrilateral IJKL side IJ is parallel to side KL. Triangle angle I is equals to 108 degree. Angle K is equals to 53 degree. Then find the measures of angle J and angle L. So student, first of all we will draw quadrilateral IJKL. So same sum I had written here. Same. See, here I had drawn quadrilateral IJKL, where angle I is 108 degree and angle K is 53 degree. Now let us start with the solution. So first, what is given? Segment LK is parallel to segment IJ. Okay. And line LI is the transversal. So, angle L plus angle I is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Why student? Because angle L and angle I, interior angle. Okay. Now, next, therefore, angle L plus angle I is how much student? 108. So here I will put the value 108 is equals to 180. Okay. Therefore, angle L is equals to 180. This plus this 108 will come here, so it will become minus. So 108. So 180 minus 108 is 72 degree. So angle L is equals to 72 degree. Okay. So angle L we got 72 degree. Now student, segment LK is parallel to segment IJ. Okay. This LK is parallel to IJ. Okay. And line KJ, this KJ is transversal. Okay. So and line KJ is transversal. So angle K plus angle J is equals to 180 degree, interior angle. So angle K plus angle J is equals to 180 डिग्री, है ना. जैसे कि हमने देखो यहाँ पे सेगमेंट एल के इज पैरेलल टू आई के. ओके. सेम and LI is transversal. LI is transversal. So angle L plus angle I is equals to 180 degree. Same way angle K plus angle J is 180 degree. Now angle K, put the value is 53. So we will put the value 53 plus angle J is equals to 180 degree. So angle J is equals to 180 minus 53. So angle J is equals to 180 minus 53 is 127 degree. So student, we got angle, both the angle L and angle J. So the answer is angle L is equals to 72 degree and angle J is equals to 127 degree. Okay. See, 127 degree. Let us start with second sum. in quadrilateral ABCD, side BC is parallel to side AD. Side AB is congruent to side DC. If angle A is equals to 72 degree, then find the measures of angle B and angle D. So first we are going to draw the diagram. As you can see here, quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, and angle A is 72 degree. Okay, so let us start with the solution. What is given, student? Side BC is parallel to side AD. Okay, side BC is parallel to side AD. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Okay, now angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Okay, interior angle. So angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Okay, now angle A is how much, student? 72. So we'll put the value. Plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. So angle B is equals to 180 minus 72. So angle B is equals to 108 degree. Okay, so we got angle B. Now here we will draw BP. Okay, construction. We are going to draw BP parallel to CD. Okay, so here I'll mention draw BP parallel to CD. Okay, so that student BC is parallel to AD. Okay, BC is parallel to AD and BP is parallel to CD. Okay, BC is parallel to AD and BP is parallel to CD. Okay, so PBCD is a parallelogram. Okay, BPCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so CD is congruent to BP. Okay, BP. CD is congruent to BP. CD is congruent to BP. Okay, so now CD is equals to BP and CD is equals to AB. Okay, so BP is equals to AB. So student, angle BAP is equals to BPA. Okay, is equals to 72 degree. Angle BAP is equals to angle BPA is equals to 72 degree. Okay, so BP is parallel to CD. So angle CDP is equals to angle BPA is equals to 72 degree. So angle B is equals to 108 degree and angle D is equals to 72 degree. Okay, so we got the answer. Now sum number 3 you are going to do by yourself. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. Now we will start with practice set 5.5. Let us start with first sum. In figure 5.38, that is this figure, points x, y, z are the midpoints of side AB, BC and side AC of triangle ABC respectively, such that AB is 5 cm, AC is 9 cm and BC is 11 cm. Now we are going to find the length of XY, YZ and XZ. Okay. So here is the solution, student. Here we are going to find it. So let us start with the solution. Given that, what is given, student? Given that X, Y and Z are the midpoints of the side AB, BC and CAC respectively. By midpoint, theorem, XZ is parallel to BC, okay, such that XZ is equals to half of BC, okay. So XZ is parallel to BC and XZ is equals to half of BC. So BC is equals to 11 centimeter. So XZ is equals to 11 upon 2 है ना, BC क्या है 11, तो 11 upon 2, so is equals to 5.5 centimeter. So similarly we can find XY is equals to AC upon 2 is equals to 9 upon 2 है ना, is equals to 4.5 centimeter. And YZ is equals to AB upon 2 is equals to 5 upon 2 is equals to 2.5 centimeter. So student, we got XY, we got YZ, we got XZ. Then now question number 2nd and 3rd is sum you are going to do by yourself. Now we will solve 4th sum. So in the figure, segment PD is a median, okay, you can see this PD is median, then of triangle PQR, point T is the midpoint of segment PD. Produced QT intersect PR at M. Show that PM upon PR is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, so hint is also given. Draw DN parallel to QM. Okay, So same diagram we had drawn here. Now we will start with the solution. Okay, proof. So student, PD is the median of QR. PD is the median of QR. Okay, then so D is the midpoint of QR. Okay, DN is drawn parallel to QM. DN is drawn parallel to QN. QM. Okay, by converse of midpoint theorem, student, N is the midpoint of MR. MR, this we will give as 1. Okay, first. Similarly, T is the midpoint of PD. Okay, PD. Okay, so also DN is parallel to QM. DN is parallel to QM. So by converse of midpoint theorem, M is the midpoint. Of PN. Okay, of PN. Now from first and second, this will name it as a second. So from first and second, we have PM is equals to MN is equals to NR. So PM upon PR is equals to PM upon PM plus M N plus NR. Okay, is equals to PM upon PM plus PM plus PM is equals to 1 upon 3 PM is equals to 1 upon 3. So student, PM upon PR is equals to 1 upon 3. So hence proved.
So student, here we had completed with this chapter and with our portion. In next lecture we are going to start with the mathematics revision. Till then student, take care. Thank you.